One of the big problems that we've observed is the reluctance to train in new systems. Whether you have very advanced classes or whether you have nice training videos, people just generally don't like going through that. How about we give them a way to get better at what they do on the job without the burden of having to sit through a class? What we figured out with the feedback of the operators is that you can actually come to their workplace. That was, by the way, something they requested for many years, saying, we don't want to go to a classroom. We want to go to where we go, to where we do our work, and we want to be disrupted as little as possible. So with this idea of the chatbot, we are bringing the knowledge right to the fingertips of the operator at their workplace, and we're giving them the information that they could access very quickly that they couldn't have had access to before. So we already had the focus groups and showed our stuff a while ago, and we got the feedback from them on things they liked and things they wanted to throw in as ideas. So this is not something we just thought of. What we have here is grounded in feedback from real operators. Our piece of it,
Yes.
$5,000 annually. So it's very easy for manufacturers. We can talk about optional production support.
Okay.
And it starts low for something very basic, and if you want hand-holding 24/7, which we're masters at, I think 24/7 support, where we take calls at night, is gonna be around 20 grand.
Okay.
But that's optional, again.
Got
so
it.
if they have their own people who can take care of it, that's fine. But go
For
ahead.
this customer, for the virtual factory, in terms of integration time to get the solution deployed?
From 5 weeks to 16 weeks, we calculated that that's about 3 iterations.
Okay.
And in those 3 iterations, we can go through their wish list. If it's something basic, it's shorter, but it's
it.
all really rooted in how quickly we can get answers from the new customer.
Thank you, Konstantin.
Thank you, Zach.
Thank you. That's a wrap.